Welcome to AccountingED Updates. My name is Dr. Bob Minetti, and the topic I want to talk to you about today is tax return identity fraud. This is something that a lot of tax practitioners are very aware of, but I want to make sure that those of you in the general public are aware of it. And this is going to occur when somebody uses your information. They steal your personal information and they file a tax return with the IRS in an attempt to defraud the federal government out of tax refund money. They're usually going to try to get the money on a debit card, which they can then take to an ATM and get cash for. And this is a pretty good-sized fraud. There were over $30 billion in fraudulent tax returns filed in 2013. So it's not like we're talking about just small dollars. So one of the things is that you need to be aware of in the event that your tax return is bounced back, either when you do it yourself with TurboTax or when your tax professional goes to electronically file your tax return. If it's been bounced back, you need to make sure you take precautions on your identity and understand that the fact that they stole your identity to file a false tax return means that they have your Social Security number. It means that there's a number of other types of identity theft that they could take advantage of. It's important that you contact the police and file a police report. It's important that you notify not only the IRS, but also the State Department of Revenue, not just for your states, but the other states as well, because oftentimes the criminals will file non-resident requests for refunds in states you don't even live in and have never done any business with in an attempt to steal money. So these are things that you need to be aware of. And if you need an introduction to identity theft or how to prevent and report it, please take a look at one of our AccountingED courses. I have several of them out there that walk you through the processes of what you need to do. I just want to make sure as we go into tax season, people are aware of this fraud and are taking precautions to protect themselves from being victims. Thank you and have a good day.